Over the course of this event, GO ESG 2026 will explore the strategic and operational levers shaping the future economy, from regional policy alignment and digital infrastructure to the realities faced by businesses and SMEs navigating ESG expectations across their value chains.
Where today's decisions will shape Malaysia's economic trajectory for decades ahead. The future we build, shaping an integrated, resilient and responsible Malaysia. It is a mandate for collective action. It reminds us that a sustainable future is not something we inherit by default, but something we must design through intention and integrity.
This is not trying to tell you any more about what ESG is. It's about putting it into a guideline approach, a framework on how we can practically implement it in a way that makes sense.
Alliance Bank was our first banker. I think Alliance was the first bank that focused on SME. I think it's like 14, 15 years back.
For us at Alliance, we strongly believe that ESG is not just another compliance checklist that SMEs have to go through, but they're real practical P&L and business impact that they can derive when they take ESG practices and actually embed them into their operations, into their strategies, into their supply chains, and how they interact with customers, internal employees, as well as the stakeholders that matter to them. So at Alliance, we're here proud to launch this playbook together with our partners, Monash University Malaysia, Zurich Malaysia, who have been strong supporters of this initiative from the very beginning. And stay tuned because there will be many more of these playbooks that we'll be rolling out in the subsequent months for various industry sectors that are relevant in Malaysia.
Alliance Bank, the bank for life.